LLM Arena has been a really outstanding project with its many projects like Copilot Arena. There is a chatbot arena as well. And that's not all. We even get an agent arena. And you must be wondering, why are we talking about this? So this is how it's going to work. There is going to be a user goal, natural language prompt. And what it would do is the arena would direct two different agents, two different models, or two different chatbots to perform the same exact task simultaneously. And once you go through the task and give your final answer, the user is going to decide whether it's going to choose agent 1 or agent 2, which one is a satisfactory output. So once the user decides, then the output is going to go in the leaderboard, and we're going to have a human-based evaluation of different LLMs and models. So in the back hood, there are companies like OpenAI, Meta, Google's Gemini, and there's Anthropic as well. And it's going to use tons of different frameworks like Bolt and SOAP. And one idea that I get from this is that this is like a fight between two LLMs, two agents, or two chatbots, right? And today I found out a really amazing arena, which is this web dev arena. And this arena can be used as a code generator as well. How would you do that? Let me show you. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose any of these projects here. So let's say I want to create an email app. I'm going to go and say create an email app. So I don't know which model it is actually using in the backend. It's not going to give us the name of the model yet. But once we decide which code is better, it's going to show the name so that we don't have a biased decision or the model do not influence our choice. It should be only based on the results. So let's go and open this up. The right side model has already generated the results. I really want to see how good this is. I think the styling is not that good, but still, let's try to compose an email. So there's a compose email. I don't know what this is. To subject, there's a message. Okay, so I say ABC to ABC. I don't know why the text is white. And let's say this is subject and this is message. I don't know why we can't see it, but still, let's just try to send this. Okay, so there is actually validations in place. That is really cool. Let me try this. I think this should work. So the email is sent. Really amazing. I think this is working, although we won't be able to send an email to anyone because we don't have the backend for that. But for now, I think the front end needs a lot more improvement as for the font color and much more. So this was the right side. Now, what about the left? So the left one encountered an error, which is a bummer. So I'm going to vote right is better, of course. And once you vote, it's going to show you the name of the model that you just voted and the name of the model that had some issues. So Qwen 2.5 coder, the 32B instruct LLM has some issues, while ChatGPT 4o outperformed Qwen. Now, how is this going to help you like a code generator? What you can do is you can just go to code and you can download this file by clicking here, or you can copy everything. So this way you can get your code generated as well as you can have fun and choose the winner. And once the winner is decided, it's going to influence the leaderboard right here. But right now on the top is the Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and GPT-4o is on the third place. Gemini EXP 1206 is on the second place. So let's go and try a few more examples. And notice one thing, every time you don't know what model is going to be there, it's going to shuffle every and each time. So let's create a chat app this time. The left model code generation, I think it is quite fast. I don't know which model this is. Let's go and open this up. So this is the left side output. And I'm really excited. So this is a WhatsApp clone. Okay, I can type something. So hey there. I don't know why the font color is white, but let's just send that. So the message went through. Okay, cool. How are you doing? So the messages are there, but I think the font and the front end has many issues yet. So let's just remove this for now. Now let's try the right side. I'm really optimistic about the right side because it has time there, but we still have that white text, which is really not good. So everything else is the same. Let me type something. Hey there. Let's send that. Okay, I get to send it. We have different colors and the time is there, which is really great. And I think the right side won again. So let's go and vote that right is better here. And as you can see, the left side was GPT-4o. As for the right side, it was Gemini 2.0 Flash, which is on the second in the leaderboard. So now we know that the leaderboard is the actual reality behind the models. So in the next battle, I'm not going to choose any of the suggestions. This time, let's go with a prompt and I'm going to ask it to create a file explorer, but with a prompt. So I'm just going to go and say, build me a file explorer. That's how simple it is. Let's go and hit enter. And this time we have the same prompt right here, right? Let's go and check out the results. So the left model is going to use a tree-like structure, and the right model is going to use TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and React components to create a tree-like structure. We don't see the specific technology for the left one, but let's go and check out the left one first. So we have the file explorer. It is expanding and we can have files inside files, and there are many subfolders. Okay, that's cool. But again, the text is in white color, which is really bad. But let's go and try the other one. I think the last one was much better in regards to the folder image and structure, but this one is better because I can see it clearly. I think the left one is better because we encountered an error on the right one as soon as I collapsed the root folder. So this should not happen. I think I'm just gonna go and say left is better here. And as you can see, it is Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the all-time winner on the leaderboard. And of course, it's going to be better. So this is how you can use this amazing web dev arena to actually have your code generated for you. You can copy and paste this code inside your projects, and it can be a really fun activity to actually compare different LLMs and models out there. I found this recently and I really wanted to share this with you guys because I think this is something really cool and a really fun project, and they are investing a lot into it. And we have tons of different arenas like this chatbot arena. We even have the Copilot arena where we rank different coding LLMs. So yeah, we can pretty much do everything. We can pretty much kill two birds with one arrow. We can generate the code and use it. And we can even go and have fun by comparing different LLMs, right? That way it's going to help us which coding LLM or which coding model is better than the other one, right? So I think this is really cool and you should actually try this out, check this out. And this was a really short video because I wanted to introduce this amazing tool. And with that said, I want to wrap this video up. Again, if this video was helpful, hit the like button, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Ring that notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.